we have been able to maintain competitive pricing in this market, making cement affordable. We are looking at a time when prices before the incoming of Simba into Uganda were looking at almost 40,000 Ugandan shillings a bag. Currently, the price of cement is it's less than 30,000, thanks to Simba Cement. Our production capacity has doubled over the last few years to be able to meet this growing demand for cement. We are well positioned to provide advanced solutions that align with the market needs. We have also appointed over 200 dealers countrywide to ensure that cement remains accessible to all consumers countrywide. We want to influence the cement industry in this country.
Our packaging is eco-friendly. Before, all the cement manufacturers were using paper bag, which was also contributing the the loss of environment when a lot of trees are cut to make the paper bags. So in that solution, we have introduced PP bag, and now all the manufacturers are using it.